Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this look. It's like a indigo sky blue, if you will. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how I achieve this look. So if you're interested, then keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to be using 3 bundles, and I got them from Ali Pearl, the color 613. And 613 is much easier to use when you're dyeing hair, so I recommend that. And then you are going to need the Adore 112 in the color indigo blue, and just make sure you have 3 bottles. And I also went in with the Ion Brilliance in the color sky blue, and this can be purchased at any Sally beauty supply stores. You'll need a brush and a mixing bowl. And the first thing you are going to want to do is open that box. And once you open the box, you'll be sure to put it in the mixing bowl. And just make sure you empty the entire dye. Just make sure you empty everything out. Don't leave anything in, girl, because we need all that product, okay? And again, you can purchase this from any Sally beauty supply store. And the Adore, you could purchase that at any local beauty supply. To my knowledge, Sally does not carry Adore products, so you should find it online, or you can go to your local beauty supply. And make sure you wear gloves, guys, because I got a little dye on my fingers, but no problem, we're gonna get through this, okay? So now I'm putting the Adore color in with the Ion color Brilliance sky blue, and I am putting on my gloves because, like I said, I accidentally got dye on my fingers. So after you do that, you are going to want to mix your dye together and mix it very well, you guys. Don't leave anything behind. And now you're going to get a big bowl or a bucket, whatever you have at home, and pour that dye in. And so after you get all your dye inside of the bowl, the next thing we are going to want to do is make sure you get a bucket of hot water and pour it in. And then just put 1 bundle in the water. And I did dye the rest of the hair off camera, but this is what it looks like after I did the watercolor method. And as you can see, I didn't really put the entire frontal in because I wanted a lighter look. And so now I went ahead and applied the frontal to the wig cap off camera, but I wanted to include a few shots of me actually sewing on the frontal. Now if you guys want to see a full tutorial on how I created this wig, then make sure you drop a comment down below and let me know, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But I wasn't sure if you guys are interested. I know there's a lot of videos out there on how to create a wig, but this is all new for me, you guys. So this is actually the second time I have made a wig on my own, and I really like it. So I definitely don't mind showing you guys my skills and what I learned, and hopefully I can help you guys out too. But it's very simple. It's actually very easy. It can be a little bit time consuming. However, once you practice and you keep going, then everything else is going to be seamless. You're going to get faster, you're going to get better, and honestly, you're going to like it. I really enjoy doing it. I feel like, I don't know, like I'm this awesome creator, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But anyway, you guys, so I'm just going to speed this part up. As you can see, it gets a little repetitive, and just make sure when you get to the end that you cut and tie a knot or two at the end and cut the excess string. And so once you do that, guys, just make sure you actually start sewing down your wig from the middle and then work your way towards each end. I find that way is a lot easier than trying to start from one side and then go all the way over with a thread. Start in the middle and work your way to the other side once you're done, okay? And so I completed my right, which should be your right as well. So now I'm going in on the left side and I am doing the exact same thing that I did on the right side. And so I turn the wig stand around so that way you guys can get a better look. Now I know I'm speeding through this part here, but I wanted to also let you guys know that having a very good blockhead and a wig stand is going to be very essential to creating your wigs. I did spend a little bit on my blockhead, but that's okay. I feel like it's very worth it. However, the wig stand, I went down to the I guess you could say inexpensive side, because I'm like, it's just a wig stand, so I don't need to go all out on a wig stand, right? But that is wrong, you guys, because in the end, you don't want your wig stand moving all over the place. You want a very durable wig stand, so that way, you're not having a difficult time when you're trying to create your wig, because we want that wig to be seamless, okay? So anyway, I am eating, you guys, because at this point I am very hungry. But I moved towards the back of the wig and I laid a few tracks prior to filming this. But like I said, I wanted to include a few shots of me completing the wig. So I laid a track down and I am sewing down that track, and as you can see, I'm taking the needle and I'm going over. I'm not going under. I'm going over. Look, my baby, say hi, baby. But anyway, I'm going over with the needle. I'm not really going under, so that's just the technique that I learned from watching other creators on YouTube sew down their wig. So yeah, I recommend doing that because it does leave for a seamless look and also for your tracks to be much tighter and everything. So yeah, I would recommend doing it this way. So I'm just going to allow you guys to take this in. It does get very repetitive. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm doing the fold over method here, which is very important to lay flat. You guys, you don't want to have any bulkiness within your wig, any bulkiness. So please make sure you lay it down nice and flat to avoid having any bulkiness show in your wig. Also, you're going to need needle and thread. Now, I did finish up the wig off camera. And so now this is the completed look, and you see this little extra cap thingy here. You don't need that. It's going to show. So you definitely want to take your wig off your stand and cut that extra cap off, because this has to go. We do not need it, okay? So after you do that, you guys, you are going to want to blow dry her. I washed her, and so this is what she looks like after a wash. I also plucked her off camera as well, you guys. But if you are interested in seeing a full wig tutorial, I will be more than happy to show you guys how I did that, okay? Or how I complete my wigs, rather. So now I'm going in with the electric hot comb, and I just want to make sure she's flat, okay? And so I did flat iron her off camera, and this is what she's looking like after flat iron, you guys. I did try to curl her a little bit, you guys. I am no professional at this, okay? I am literally learning and teaching you guys what I'm learning as I go. But yeah, you guys, so she's flat now, but once I put her on, you'll see that she is a little curly because I tried to curl it. So she's done. She's on my head. I did apply the wig off camera, you guys. If you are interested in me showing you how I apply my lace wigs, then drop your comments down below. I will be sure to get that video completed for you guys. And also, you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Bye.